In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All the praises be to Allah, Almighty, our Creator, and peace and blessing upon the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. All right. Today I am here to shed some lights on the belief of hereafter. May Allah give me tawfiq to speak well and enable us to follow the right path of Islam. My respected teachers and honorable judges and my dear students, according to the Islamic faith, every person after death has to give an account of his deeds in the presence of Allah Almighty. As a result, he will face hell or paradise, punishment or reward. The name of this life is the hereafter, and the name of this believing in this life is the hereafter. Hereafter is the third basic and important belief of Islam after monotheism and prophethood. The teachings of all the messengers and prophets about the hereafter have always been the same. The simple meaning of which is that this world is a testing ground, and Allah has sent Azhar to test who believes and does good deeds. And just as Allah created Azhar, so He will review us after death on the day of resurrection. The home of real life is the home of the hereafter, and the world is no more than a test passage in this journey, and death is not an end but a moving from one stage to another. बकौल इकबाल, मौत को समझे है गाफिल इख्तिताम जिंदगी, मौत को समझे है गाफिल इख्तिताम जिंदगी, है ये शाम जिंदगी सुबह दवाम जिंदगी. And in the words of the Quran, Qulillahu yuhyikum thumma yumitukum thumma yajma'ukum ila yawmil qiyamati la rayba fihi walakinna akthara an-nasi la ya'lamun. Say, Allah gives you life, then makes you die, then He will assemble you on the day of judgment, in which there is no doubt, but most of the people do not know. Minha khalaqnakum wa fiha nu'idukum wa minha nukhrijukum taratan ukhra. From this dust we created you, and in this we shall put you back, and from this we shall raise you up once again. In the Holy Quran, such strong rational arguments have been given for the existence of the hereafter that a person with sound mind and hearing cannot dare to deny. It is another matter that Allah gives guidance to whomever He wills. O believers of Islam, here He will mention the rational arguments have been given for the described by the Holy Quran. Kama bada'akum ta'udun, just as He has organized you, so you will be raised again. أولم يرى الإنسان أنا خلقناه من نطفة فإذا هو خصيم مبين وضرب لنا مثلا ونسي خلقه قال من يحيي العظام وهي رميم قل يحييها الذي أنشأها أول مرة وهو بكل خلق عليم. Did man not see that we have created from a drop of semen? Then suddenly He stood as an open adversary to us. He has set up an argument about us and forgot His creation. He said, who will give life to the wounds when they are decayed? Say, this will be reviewed by the same one who had created for the first time and who is fully aware of every creation. These were some verses which indicate that the hereafter is certain, which there is no room for denial. That's why Muslims follow this belief. I hope given the necessary clarification on the topic of the hereafter. Now allow me to conclude with this. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.